So on number 5 right here, it says a farmer plants 6 rows of corn. Each corn has 144 corn plants. How many corn plants are there in all? Alright, so what you're going to do first is find what you need to, what the important information is. So, alright, so our important information is 6 rows of corn. Our important information is 6 rows of corn. And it says each row has 144 corn plants. How many corn plants are there in all? Sorry, that's just messed up. Anyway, and so what it says is that each row has 144 corn plants. So what you're going to do is multiply 144 times 6. So let's do that. I'll just use that. 144 times 6, because remember it says 6 right here. Alright, so 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So you put the borrow the 2. 6 times 4 is 24. Add that 2 to it, and that will get you 26. Borrow the 2 again. Do 6 times 1 equals 6. And then after that you add the 2 again, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So your answer is now 864. So it's not A, it's not B, it's not C, and it is D. So your answer is 864 corn plants. Alright. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.